You over there kicking the box and shit. You see how this frame works? Like, it looks perfect. Like, I'm in the center. Look like
you too. What is good?
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
what it do, baby?
YouTube, what is good, man? Generational HypeBeast is, yes, we are back at it with yet another video.
Gotta be so violent.
Man, what? Got me? Yo, so I'm done apologizing, man. It just is what it is. We can't make videos like we used to, man. We busy. Life is crazy. But we've been thinking, man. We've been contemplating. Before, I know y'all came here for these Maniere, these hand wash codes.
Hand wash codes.
You know what I'm saying? But before we get into those, man, because they are super dope. They drop it December 7th, by the way. But before we get into those, man, we honestly think I don't know about y'all, man, but stinker YouTube is kind of getting a little stale to me, man. You know what I mean? So we want to bring a little something different, man. We still gonna be HypeBeast about it, right? You know what I mean? But what if we brought you like daily vlogs and like outfit challenges and how-tos as far as, you know what I'm saying? Anybody can grab a pair of Sean Witherspoons. Shaolin. A pair of Shaolin Sean Witherspoons. Yeah, I mean, but anybody can grab a pair if you got the right type of bread, right? But how you make these things drip, you know what I'm saying? And how you make a drip old versus young, you know what I'm saying? Cause youngin' over here think pops don't be dripping, but hey, I'm just saying, y'all see the Pyrex on me right now. So, you know what I'm saying? So, we're thinking about going in that direction, man. So, if y'all feeling that, man, drop a comment, man. Let us know. If you don't fuck with it, I mean, just be like, hell no, we don't rock with it. But that's what we thinking. That's probably what we're gonna do. Matter of fact, we might put a little snippet in here because I think we got a little bit of footage.
Nice.
Yeah.
I took a daily video just to see how I would feel at school and stuff like that, and my outfit challenge.
Yeah. So warning, man, it's gonna be a long video, but it is what it is, man. If you rock with us, check it out. So let's get into these guys today, man. What we got here, man? A huge, ginormous. What's bigger than ginormous?
Excelsior.
That times 1,000 million trillion gazillion.
What you talking about, Willis?
Quinton billion.
Yeah, thanks to the good people over at Maniere, man. Those of you that know me know I shop with them a lot. Like, you know what I'm saying? I drop a lot of cash over there. But they good people and they got great products. So if you in the A, or if you in Houston, or if you in Washington, D.C., man, pull up on the guys, man, and check out Maniere, because
if you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Shout out James. But I got blessed, man. I got blessed. Somebody sent me a message and said, hey, listen.
Appreciate you being a
loyal customer, man. We're going to send you a little something. And I saw these, right? I saw this box like all last week and week before. And Be Social just opened up in Atlanta. Shout out to Be Social. They had a free game seminar going on over there, and you know, there was a lot of people rocking these, and I was like, ooh, I wonder if I'm gonna get those joints, right? And lo and behold, man, here they are. So let me bring them to you. Let's see. These are Air Force One 07/AMM, which I'm sure stands for
Maniere, my boy.
Yeah.
Hey, you talking about?
Colorway is black, dark gray, wolf gray. All right, size 10.5, which means it's a personal pair for your boy. And retail price is $170, man. And let's go. You can see right here, let's get some of that light so you can see that. It says hand wash code right there on the side. And on this side, you got the world. You know what I mean? So, pimping all over the world with these. Got Maniere in the middle of the world.
Oh, yeah. Fancy cars.
Let's get to the shoe, man.
In the world we are, you thinking all over the world. Fancy car, the women in the carry-on. You dress a cold. The detail, attention to, I want you to zoom in on this right here. Attention to details on this aglet and whatever the joint is right here, the tongue accent, a shoelace accent.
yeah, that thing.
You know, it's dope. Like you could tell, it's like it's
iridescent, man.
Yeah, iridescent.
Iridescent. So right here, man, you got a nubuck, man, a really nice nubuck, surrounded by, man, I'm close. Surrounded by a very premium leather, man.
Premium. It almost looks snakeskin how premium that joint is, you know?
You got a nappy suede on the swoosh.
No, he didn't just say nappy.
Nappy, boy. I like that.
That nappy boy. Hey, that pretty boy. Hey, nappy boy. Hey.
So, each one of these shoes is numbered, man. Each one of them is numbered. And this is pair number 2057 out of 5,269, man. So there's 5,269 pairs of these in the world. And your boy got blessed with one, man. So I am most appreciative, man. Most definitely appreciative. One thing I can tell you about this shoe that I've seen from the homies is 3M. It's an iridescent 3M, which is dope. So in the light, this entire outline, so let me show you
right here.
So all of this,
oh, I see it.
all of this going all the way around the shoe, here in the back.
You see that? I can see it on here. That's fire. You gonna have to.
I'll put up some pictures, man, so you can see. I'll drop in some pictures right here so you can check it out. But you can stay there, man. it's definitely a dope shoe, man. Dope collaboration.
What I tell you about coming on my side, man?
Bruh.
Is right. You see this right here? This is my line. This is your line.
Bruh, but I'm bigger than you.
You always be in my side,
I'm
bro.
bigger than you, though,
It's
man.
okay. You can be bigger. That's fine. Ooh,
Get your weight up.
Ain't nobody scared of you, boy.
Yeah.
All right, stop. Stop.
I done got too old to fight, y'all. I ain't fighting no more. But
you win some, you lose some.
shout out John Witherspoon, man.
I'm a man without it.
Shout out to the legend, man. So on the inside, you can see got the A. I'm on Maniere A. Up in that guy. What about that shoe? Same?
Yeah.
Same in that guy. You got the Maniere A on the back. I always kind of double use that for Maniere and for the A, you know, Atlanta. You know, piece up, 8 time down. Got the iridescent agulets. What we missed, man? What we missed? So it's a black
On black.
on black on gray
With a wolf gray.
on gray.
With an iridescent.
You can wear this shoe literally with everything, man. You can literally wear this shoe with everything. So, and you get away with wearing an all black Force without being creepy.
Still, I ain't trusting you wearing them shit around me.
Yeah, you got that gray on gray going with that guy, man.
If you know, you know. You wearing black Forces. I ain't fucking with you.
Yeah.
I am not fucking with you.
Hey, but these guys are dope. Like I say, they do drop on December 7th, along with a high top version, man. Definitely gotta get my hands on a high top version. I'll pop that picture up right here too. Yeah. These guys is phenomenal.
Why you gotta throw them in my face, bro?
Yeah, well, you know what I'm saying? It's what it is. So, we're gonna get into a little bit of this vlog, man. Let you check it out.
If you mess with it, you do. If not, just let us know in the comments.
Yeah, most def, man. And like I said, man, let us know if you want to see
something different.
Something different, man. Especially those challenges, because I think I can get the kid. You know, just saying. You know,
Let's do a pole vault challenge.
So I tell you what, man. The first person to drop. Okay, so which shoes we gotta like? Which shoes we gotta like?
The Fearless ones.
We got Fearless ones.
We got the Sean Witherspoons.
We got Sean Witherspoons.
We got we even got these 720s.
We got 720s.
I think we have some of the ones.
We got Travis Scott ones.
We got the Obsidians.
No, I have.
You don't have that. You got the blue chills.
I got the blue chills, but we can still rock it like that.
You got the Concords.
It wouldn't be fair with that.
No, wouldn't be fair.
Concords. I got Concords. We got infrared sixes. We got off-white blazers.
We got a good amount of shoes. And I'll probably get some Fury Clouds.
So drop a comment, man. Out of those shoes, man, which shoe you want us to outfit? Outfit challenge first. And we'll bring that to you, man. But other than that, man, here, check out a little bit of our day, man. Really of the youngins' day. Yeah, let's get into it. Yo, so I wound up not even editing the vlog in. I'm just going to create a whole new video, man, because this video would be way too long. So sorry about that. Check the next video. Woo! That was quick, man. That was like hyper speed. What they call that?
But hold on, let me get that tilt. What you talking about? Come on, man, let's go. Come on. All right. What quick? Hey, man, what quick? What's that? Let's wrap it up then. Come on. Let's go.
So that is it, man. Dad, son, hold up. Hand wash codes in the building. Y'all mean?
Yeah, man.
Dad, son.
Man, my name is Tilt, boy.
Hey, T.I. Okay, Kane.
If you don't know me. Come on, you about to fall off my head for real.
Holla.